Hello guys, welcome to Tech Genie. Today we'll be learning input-output redirection in Linux. The work of any command is either taking input or giving an output or both. So Linux has some command or special character to redirect this input and output functionalities. For example, we run a command date, press enter. It will print the output to current terminal screen. But here we don't want the output to be displayed on the terminal. We want the output to be saved in a file. This could be done very easily with the redirection. Redirection here simply means diverting the output or input. Let's check with the example. Type cat greater symbol. The greater symbol is nothing but standard output redirection. Now give a file name, press enter, give some write some data. Now press Control D. Control D logs out of the interface. So whatever you write after running this command will be redirected and copied to file.txt. This is standard output redirection. Let's check the file vi file.txt, enter. Whatever we have wrote on the command line window has been printed into the file. Let's close this file, enter. Now let's check cat lesser symbol. The lesser symbol is standard input redirection. Now give a file name, press enter. Now this is a standard input redirection. Cat command will take the input from file.txt and print it to the terminal screen. The main work of cat is to copy the input and give the output to the screen. Let's see how cat command works. Type cat, press enter. Now write something. Hi, welcome to Linux. Press enter. You will see input will be reprinted. So what cat here is doing is just copying and pasting the data. The next one is press Ctrl D. The next one is type cat, the greater symbol twice. In the previous one where the data will be overwritten, but here the data will be appended. Let's see how it is done. Type the file name, press enter, give some data. This is a new line, enter. This is another line, press Ctrl D. Now let's check the file vi file.txt, enter. Here the new data which we gain in the command line window is appended into the file. Let's close this file. That's all about input and output redirection in Linux. Thanks for watching.